Why go to the car wash when you can clean your car at home with this $10 foamer from the TikTok shop? As you can see, you can hold it in one hand. All you got to do is put some water, put some detergent to clean your vehicle, and then give it a couple of pumps, and you're ready to spray the foam. Check it out. Let's cover the wheels. No more greasiness, no more dirtiness. Check out the foam. It is very, very good. Best of all, with one of these, you'll be able to foam up your entire vehicle. Then simply scrub it and wash it down, and you're done. Right now, they are on sale, so I highly recommend you grab one before they sell out. Check it out. Few pumps, and you're ready to foam again. Check it out. Super easy to do. Also, you get many different nozzles, actually just two that you can use. You can also adjust this nozzle. I really can't do it right now because I'm holding my phone in with one hand and I'm spraying with the other. But grab yours before they sell out. See you in the next video.